There are 36 million small businesses in America right now. 4 out of 5 of them are run by just one person, and most of them have nobody handling their marketing. That's the whole opportunity right there. So today I'm going to show you how to start a digital marketing agency and how to actually get people to pay you. We'll cover picking your service, picking your niche, and building your offer. Then I'll set the whole business up on screen. The domain, the website, the phone number, the email, the calendar, all of it. And take a look at some of these AI tour videos I've been making. These are for real estate agents, apartment locators, jet brokers, event venues, RV dealers, and that's just one example of the kind of niches that would love your help. And at the end, I'll show you the super agents I'm building that create the content for you so you can deliver the work without hiring a single person. Now, real quick, here's why I'm the one showing you this. I've been running my own social media marketing agency since 2011, and I still run it every single day. So instead of just telling you it works, let me pull up my payment processor and refresh it live, right there. A little over $5 million from our clients in the last 12 months. That's roughly 350 active clients, paying us about $1,000 a month each. I put this on screen in every video because there are way too many people online teaching business who've never shown you one real number. But I'll be straight with you. None of that was there on day one. So let's start where you actually are. All right, let's get into chapter 1. Why you'd even want to start one of these. I already said it. 36 million small businesses in America and more than 5.6 million new ones got started last year, which is the most ever. That's over 15,000 new businesses a day. Now, here's the part that matters for you. About half of those owners are doing their own social media. Not a team, not an agency, the owner at night after the actual work is done. And you can see it when you look. Watch this. This is my AI going through a real local business page, gone silent for 7 months, and 4 to 6 likes on a page with over 6,000 followers. That's not a business that doesn't care. That's a business that ran out of time. Then there's the money side. Most small businesses spend under $1,000 a month on marketing. So 20 clients at $500 a month is $10,000 a month. That's goal math, not a promise, but that's the shape of it. And here's where AI comes in. About 4 out of 10 small business workers say they have no idea how AI even applies to their business. So you get to be the person who does. You use AI to do the work fast and they pay you for the result. One more thing before we move on. Small agencies actually make more money per dollar than big ones. A solo shop runs around 19% net profit. Agencies with 50 or more people run about 8%. So being small isn't the thing holding you back. It's the advantage. All right, so that's the why. Now let's talk about what you're actually going to sell. Chapter 2, how to pick your service. There are a lot of things you could sell. Websites, ads, automations, email, SEO, reputation. But I want you to pick based on 2 things, what you can actually do and what people are already buying right now. And I'll tell you where I start today, social media management. Not because it's trendy, but because I've been selling it since 2011 and it still works better than anything else I've tried. Here's why. It's a monthly service, so you get paid every month instead of chasing new sales. Every single business needs it. And it's the easiest thing in the world to show somebody they're bad at because their page is public. You just pull it up. And now AI does most of the heavy part. The writing, the images, the carousels, the scheduling. Let me show you what I mean. This is a real client of mine, a kids coding company. One AI agent read their website, picked the colors off their own site, and made 25 finished posts. Captions, hashtags, everything. Then it dropped them all into the calendar. I didn't design a single one of those. And it's not a niche thing. Here's the same idea for a birthday party place. 3 full carousel concepts, 25 slides each, scheduled and waiting on approval. And the software I'm running all of this in is called High Level. That's where the super agent actually lives. So if you use my link down in the description, I'll give you this exact super agent for free, already built, plus a bunch of other bonuses. But more on that later. Here's the thing though, do not tell your client an AI made it. They're not buying AI, they're buying posts that look good and show up on time. Nobody asked their accountant which software they use. Now, this doesn't have to be your service. If you're better at websites, sell websites. If you know ads, sell ads. But if you're starting from zero and you want the fastest path to a monthly check, this is the one I pick. All right, so you've got a service. Now you need to pick who you're selling it to. So let's get into chapter 3, how to pick your niche. People overthink this one so bad, they'll sit there for 3 weeks trying to find the perfect industry. I start with 3 questions instead. Question 1, who do you already know? Seriously, go through your phone. your family, your old coworkers, your friends from school. Somebody in there owns a business or is 1 degree away from somebody who does. That's the warmest lead you'll ever get, and it's free. Question 2, what do you already know? Where did you work? What did you study? If you spent 4 years working at a dental office, you already know how dentists talk, what they charge, and what they complain about. That's worth more than any course. I've got a friend who managed a gym for years. He didn't need to research the fitness niche. He lived it. Question 3, and this is the one people skip. Can you actually do this for the next 5 years without hating it? Because you're going to be looking at these businesses every single day. If the industry bores you into the ground, you'll quit in month 4. That's not a niche problem, that's a you problem, and picking right up front fixes it. Now here's the good news. The boring niches are the best ones. Landscaping, dog grooming, med spas, event venues, RV dealers, party places. Look at this. One local search and you've got a whole map full of businesses in one town, most of them with a page that hasn't been touched in months. That's your list. And you can do this in any city, in any niche. Just pick one and go. You can always change it, but you can't get good at all of them at once. All right, now let's talk about the thing you actually put in front of people. Chapter 4, how to build your offer. There are 100 ways to build an offer, and most of the advice out there makes it way harder than it is. So here's what I do. Go find an offer that's already working for somebody else and do that. I don't mean copy their website word for word. I mean, look at what people are already paying for and sell that same thing in your niche, in your voice. Let me show you a real one. This is a company that's been selling social media posts since 2012 to over 10,000 businesses. And here's their pricing right on the page. $99, $149, $189, $279. That's proof. Somebody already tested this for you for over a decade with 10,000 customers. You don't need to invent anything. So here's the offer I run with. $500 a month, flat. 30 posts a month on Instagram and Facebook. All the captions and hashtags written. Everything scheduled. Their own approval link so they see it before it goes live. Notice what I did there. One price, not $500 to $750. When you give somebody a range, they hear the low number and then feel weird when you charge the high one. One number is cleaner and it's easier to say out loud. And here's my favorite part. This is a real recurring invoice from my agency, $500 monthly. That's it. That's the whole business model. Now put boundaries on it in writing. No unlimited revisions, no random tasks, no building them a website for free because they asked nicely. I handle my clients through email and support tickets. No one-on-one meetings. That's how you keep 350 of them without losing your mind. And one more thing, make your first offer stupid easy to say yes to. Your first client isn't paying for your experience because you don't have any yet. So make it a 30-day thing with a start date and an end date. Then you do a great job and you ask them to keep going. All right, so now you've got a service, a niche, and an offer. Let's actually build the business. Chapter 5, how to set it up and start marketing. Now, real quick, before I start building, everything I'm about to set up happens inside Go High Level. That's the platform I run my entire agency on and all 350 clients. The domain, the website, the calendar, the phone number, the email, the AI agents, all of it lives in one place. It's $97 a month and you can start it free with the first link in my description. So if you want to build this along with me, grab that and follow along. And when you sign up with my link, you get my community completely free. That's over 100 video lessons, my full AI prompt library, live Q&A calls, and the AI agents I'm about to show you already built. You just load them into your account. And the tour video agent that made those videos at the start, that's in there too. One more thing. The agents make their images and videos through a tool called OpenArt, so you'll want that connected too. That's the second link in my description. All right, let's build it. First thing, your business name. Do not overthink it. I'm serious. People lose entire months on this. Just run a name search with your state and pick something clean. Here's Georgia's. Type it in, see if it's open, move on. Your name isn't why somebody hires you. Second, get the domain today, not next week. Today. Watch this. I can buy one right inside my platform for about $11 and the security certificate comes with it. That's the whole thing. $11 and you own your name on the internet. Third, build the website. And this used to be the part that stopped people cold. Watch what happens now. I type in what I want and AI Studio builds the entire site. Homepage, services, results, and a call button. That's a real agency website and I didn't touch a design tool. And then it wires the booking calendar straight into it. So somebody lands on your site, picks a time, and it's on your calendar. No back and forth. Fourth, Get the boring stuff done because it's what makes you look real. A business phone number, which is about $1.15 a month. A business email on your own domain. And that calendar we just connected. You don't need an office. You need a number that isn't your cell phone and an email that isn't at Gmail. Now, fifth, and this is the one that actually gets you clients, your own social media. Here's what most beginners do. They set all this up and then start cold DMing 200 strangers a day. And it works, sort of, but it's miserable and it doesn't scale. Now, there's a smarter way to do outreach. I actually built an AI agent that goes and finds business owners on Instagram and sends the DMs for me. That's a whole other video and I'll point you to it at the end. But here's what I do first. Either way, post for yourself the exact same way you'd post for a client. Show the work, show before and afters, show what you built. And I'm doing this myself right now. I started a brand new Instagram account and I'm growing it with the same super agents I just showed you. It's early. I'm not going to sit here and show you big numbers I don't have yet. But by the end of this year, I know it's going to have real traction because this game isn't about one post blowing up. It's about being patient and showing up every single week. And here's some of the carousels I've been making for myself. Because when you post consistently, two things happen. People start coming to you already warm, so you're not convincing anybody. And search engines start picking you up, including ChatGPT. I've had real clients tell me on the call that they found us through a ChatGPT recommendation, and I can show you what that turns into. This is my Google Analytics refresh live. Over 40,000 visitors to our website last month, and more than 500 of them turned into leads. People finding us and reaching out without one cold call. And watch this. I can drill into ChatGPT by itself. In the last 30 days, almost 700 people came to our website straight from ChatGPT, and 40 of them turned into leads. That's a real channel now, and most agencies aren't even thinking about it yet. And feeding that machine is the same playbook every time. You post on social, you write blog posts that answer the questions your niche is asking. You put out a few videos on those same questions, and you keep your name, your services, and your reviews consistent everywhere online, because that's exactly what the AI engines look at when they pick who to recommend. When I started doing this, we were getting maybe 10 or 15 inbound leads a month. Now it's over 500. It compounds. That's the whole game. Get good at this for yourself and you never have to cold call again. All right, now let's talk about the part nobody covers. Chapter 6, how to actually deliver the work and keep them happy. Because getting a client is one thing, keeping them for 3 years is a completely different skill. Here's how I do it now. This is one of the super agents I've been building. I give it a client's website. That's it, just the link. It reads the whole site. It pulls their real colors, their real services, their real address. Then it writes out a full month of posts and shows me a board of every single one before it makes anything. I look at it, I say go, and it generates all of them. Then it schedules them and it sets them to in review. That's the piece right there. In review means my client gets a link, they look at everything and they approve it themselves. If they don't like one, they say so and I swap it. That approval link is honestly my whole retention strategy. Clients don't leave when they feel in control. And after the first month, this is 30 to 45 minutes per client. That's reviewing the work, answering their emails, and handling changes, not 10 minutes. I want to be honest about that. Now here's the second piece, and this is where you actually earn the money. Posting is nice, leads are better. So I build an automation that turns comments into conversations. Somebody comments a keyword on the post, it replies publicly, and then it slides into their DMs automatically. And here's it running live on my own page. Comment goes in, the DM lands 8 seconds later. Then the AI agent takes over the conversation, answers their questions, and books them on the calendar. This is a real dashboard from one of my accounts. That's appointments getting booked by an agent while I was asleep. So think about what you just sold them, not posts. You sold them appointments. That's a completely different conversation, and it's why they stay. And then one last thing every month, send them the numbers. This is the stats page inside my platform. Reach, impressions, how each platform did. It takes me about 2 minutes to pull. And I know that sounds small, but it's the difference between a client who renews and a client who forgets you exist. Most small business owners have never gotten a report from anybody. When you send one, you stop being an expense. That's it. Post, get them leads, show them the proof. Do those 3 things every month and they don't leave. And those tour videos from the start, it's the same idea, just a different agent. I paste in a listing link and a few photos. It builds me a storyboard. I approve it and it generates the video and schedules it. Same one prompt, different agent. And I'm still building this thing out. Right now, I'm working on triggers so the agent fires off other things by itself. Somebody fills out a client intake form and the agent just starts working. No prompt from me at all. That's where this is going, and it's going to be huge. Now, coming up next, that outreach video I mentioned, I gave an AI agent one prompt and it found 10 small business owners on Instagram and sent every one of them a cold DM without me clicking a thing. And when I ran it for my own page, somebody wrote back in under a minute. So check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.